Hello everyone. Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to learn how to run JSP files directly in Visual Studio Code. It can be a little tricky to set up, but I'll guide you step by step. JSP, or Java Server Pages, is a technology that lets you create dynamic web pages. VS Code is a powerful code editor, but it doesn't inherently understand JSP. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure you have a few things installed. This includes the Java Development Kit, JDK. Ensure you have the latest version or at least version 8 or above. Next, download and install Apache Tomcat Server. Tomcat is a web server and servlet container that can execute JSP code. You can download it from the official Apache Tomcat website. After installing Tomcat, you need to configure VS Code. Install the Tomcat for Java extension from the VS Code Marketplace. This extension helps VS Code interact with your Tomcat server. Once installed, you need to configure the extension. Open your VS Code settings. Search for Tomcat for Java. You'll need to set the tomcat.home property. This should point to the directory where you installed Tomcat. For example, it might be c:/program /files /apache software foundation /tomcat 9.0. Next, you may also need to specify the Java home directory. Search for java.home in VS Code settings. Set it to the directory where your JDK is installed. For example, c:/program /files /java /jdk 1.8.0_271. Now, let's create a simple JSP file. Create a new file named index.jsp. Add some basic HTML and JSP code. For example, you can use the following code snippet: HTML body h1 hello, JSP, /h1%out.println, current time, plus new java.utilidate, %/body/html. Save the file in a directory. This directory will be your web application's root directory. To deploy your JSP file, create a web apps folder within your project directory. Place your JSP file, index.jsp, inside this web apps folder. Now, start the Tomcat server from within VS Code using the Tomcat extension. Right-click on your project folder in VS Code and select Tomcat, Start. Once Tomcat is running, open your web browser. Go to http://localhost 8080/yourprojectname/index.jsp. Replace your project name with the name of your project folder. You should see the output of your JSP file in the browser. If you encounter any errors, double-check your Tomcat configuration and VS Code settings. Also, ensure that your JDK and Tomcat versions are compatible. Using VS Code for JSP development offers benefits. You get features like code completion, debugging, and easy server management. However, you might need to configure it carefully. Make sure to follow the instructions closely. And that's how you can run JSP files in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Consider supporting the channel by leaving a comment or sharing the video with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.